Raju sir.
Hi sir, how are you sir? Fine sir. Come sir, have a seat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. What, sir? Busy?
Please sir, I'm reading one book sir.
Why, sir? Your face is looking frustrated. Something. You're looking dull. Any
Yes, sir.
problem?
Because these mosquitoes are biting a lot sir. I'm not able to control this mosquito.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Even I turned on the repellent, but still they are not in my control.
Repellent is on, no, sir?
Yes sir, but still see, these are not in my control. Still they are biting a lot.
Correct, sir. First of
And
all,
they're disturbing a lot, that's why I'm frustrated.
due to the season is also very worse, sir. Nowadays we are facing dengue problems, sir.
Yes sir.
Sir, if you don't mind, I have one remedy, sir. Natural remedy that doesn't show any adverse effects, sir. Can I share with you, sir?
Yes, I wanted that only sir. Natural remedy, and that should be effective.
Yes, 100% is effective, sir.
And it should not harm even my body.
No, sir. Your body, my body, and others' bodies are also very important. So, it doesn't find any adverse effects, sir. Definitely, I'm going to share
Yes,
with you, sir.
I'm very curious to know that remedy. Can you share, sir?
Sure, sir. 100%. 100%.
Yes.
Prevention is better than cure. Certainly, yes. Feel happy to welcome you all to Naveen Raj at Scientia channel. Today we are going to discuss about a simple natural remedy or experiment which reduces the action of mosquitoes. To carry out this experiment, just I need following things. Glass of water. You can take 1 glass or 2 glasses of water. And next we need camphor. You can check it. You can take 1 packet or 2 packet. Just next, what to do with this camphor? Just cut these packets. Just take this camphor, put into the water. You can check it. Right now, our experiment setup is ready. Among both containers, I have poured camphor. You can keep this glasses where you are going to sit or where you are going to read. One you can keep inside, one you can keep outside. Question comes in your mind. What is the scientific fact present behind this camphor water? How does this camphor water reduces the action of mosquitoes? Let's discuss in detail. Camphor water can help to reduce activity due to the strong aroma or smell of camphor, which acts as a natural repellent. The scent interferes with mosquitoes' ability to detect their hosts. Mosquitoes rely on various cues such as carbon dioxide and by heat to locate peoples. The camphor odor masks these cues, making it harder for mosquitoes to find and bite individuals. Additionally, mosquito has insecticidal properties that may kill mosquitoes upon direct contact. However, while camphor can help deter mosquitoes, it's generally considered more effective when used in conjunction with the other preventive measures. Thus, this is a natural remedy. It doesn't fetch more money and it is very economic. If we could use it, we can overcome from the problem of mosquitoes bites and number of diseases can be minimized. Hence, I do request you all to use it to overcome from the problem. Thank you very much as you have watched with a lot of patience. Thank you.